Hi, my name is Sundaresh. Today we are going to learn about the engine oil level checking and its quality. You know that the engine has a lot of moving components like piston, connecting rod, crankshaft, valves and its mechanism, etc. Almost all the parts are made of cast iron, alloy steel and aluminum, etc. When it is moving, a friction is developed which generates heat and reduces the movement, and finally the engine will cease. To avoid this, a thin film of an oil layer is introduced in the moving parts, which reduces friction and allows the engine parts to move freely without heat buildup. The oil layer is also crucial in preventing wear and tear on critical engine parts such as cylinder block and crankshaft. Engine oil lubricates and cools your engine, and over time it can break down and become contaminated. That's why it's important to check your engine oil level and quality regularly and to change it when necessary. So, how do you go about doing that? Get ready to learn how to check your engine oil and change it when needed. Today, we are going to learn how to check engine oil level and quality.
At the end of this demonstration, you will be able to understand different types of engine oil grades and specifications, check engine oil level and quality. Tools required: Trainees Toolkit, equipment required, a vehicle in running condition, materials required: engine oil, blotting paper, soft cloth, gloves. Engine oil is a lubricant which circulates inside the engine while running and lubricates the inner components of an engine, mainly to reduce friction in between the moving components. Oil also helps to cool the engine by carrying heat away from the hot areas. Oil is composed of mineral oil, which is a residue left after from the processing of crude oil. Mineral oil is further refined into engine oil and other lubricants like engine oil, gear oil, etc. It can also be used as fuel after adding additives to increase its burning capability. The function of an engine oil is to lubricate the engine components, clean the engine components, cool the engine components, protect against corrosion of engine components, seal the clearance in between the engine components, reduce the noise. The following types of engine oils are available: mineral oil, synthetic oil, semi-synthetic oil. Mineral oil is the base oil derived from crude oil for use in engines and gearboxes. Mineral oil in diesel engine oil is a cheap and effective way to reduce cold starting difficulties. Synthetic oil also contains additives that make it more tolerant to extreme temperatures and aging than mineral oil. This oil tolerates heat better than other oils, producing less sludge and carbon deposits. Synthetic oil also has a higher viscosity index than regular oils, which allows it to stay in place better when at low temperatures. Semi-synthetic oil is also known as blend of synthetic and mineral oil. Here, a small amount of synthetic engine oil is mixed in with mineral oil. This boosts its properties without increasing the cost by much. The addition of synthetic oil enhances its viscosity and wear resistance of the engine oil at higher temperatures and stress. Synthetic blend engine oils can also offer better performance at lower temperatures compared to mineral oils. The grading of engine oil is defined by Society of Automotive Engineers (SAE) to assist in selecting engine and gear oils for use under various climatic conditions. Types of engine oil by grading: single grade oil, multi-grade oil. The service ratings of an engine oil is classified by API engine oil specifications. API engine oil specification. The American Petroleum Institute cooperated with the SAE and ASTM, American Society for Testing and Materials, in creating a classification for engine oils. Distinctions are defined according to the S classes suitable for spark ignition engines and C classes for diesel engines. For example, SF, CF are the API specifications of engine oil. After checking the engine oil level, we need to top up the oil if the level is low. While topping up, we should ensure the grade and specification of oil with a manufacturer's specification. Use of different grade oil may affect the engine's performance. It is important to ensure that all filters are replaced at every oil change. Filters can become clogged over time, which may result in poor performance from the engine and even failure. To avoid this, filters should be checked regularly and changed when necessary. Most engines have an indicator on the side of the block which will turn red. Before checking engine oil level, wear hand gloves. To check the engine oil level, park the vehicle in a leveled surface. Ensure that the ground level should be leveled. Otherwise, it gives wrong level position. Check engine oil level at least 10 to 15 minutes after the engine is off. Open the bonnet. Lift the bonnet slightly and release the latch under the bonnet. Identify the oil dipstick and the oil filler cap. Now, remove dipstick from the engine. Clean the dipstick thoroughly by a soft cloth. Locate the maximum and minimum marks mentioned in the dipstick. Again, reinsert the dipstick fully. Ensure that the dipstick is inserted fully, or otherwise it gives wrong engine oil level. Remove the dipstick again. Check the engine oil level. If the level is in between the maximum and minimum marks, then no need to top up the engine oil. Suppose if the level is lower than the minimum level, then top up the oil up to the maximum marks. Take 1 or 2 drops of oil from the dipstick and check its color and thickness. If it is in brown color, then the oil is good. Suppose oil changes into black, then decide to replace the engine oil. While topping up, ensure that the engine oil should not be filled more than the maximum marks. If you are filling the oil more than the limit, then the engine oil pressure will increase more than the set pressure and leak may occur. Reinsert dipstick and check the level again. Some automotive dealers check the quality of the engine oil with blotting paper test. For blotting paper test, take a piece of blotting paper and pour few drops of engine oil. Allow it to spread for a time. For example, say half an hour. Then check the spread oil in the blotting paper for any contaminants or ant dispersancy or oil in good condition. If contaminants found, then decide to replace the engine oil, oil filter and oil seal with new one. If no contaminants found, then check the condition of the ant dispersant and oil. If both are in good condition, then there is no need to change them.
Till now, we have learned about how to check engine oil level and quality. Engine oil level should be checked in every 2 weeks once, and if necessary, oil should be topped up. While topping up, you should confirm the grade and specification as per the manufacturer's recommendation. Thus, we have learned how to check engine oil level and quality. Hope you have a clear understanding on this. Do this exercise with the help of your instructor.